Jana muda wa saa 3 ya usiku kulikuwa na kisa ya moto ambapo shule ya wavulana ya shule hii ilipata kuchomeka karibu saa 3 ya usiku, na hivi sasa halmashauri ya shule, board of management, wamekutana tangu asubuhi na wamechukua uamuzi ya kwamba the student is temporarily closed for a few days so that we take stock of the losses encountered in the dormitory and also rectify a few issues, the property that was destroyed in the dormitory before the students report back. We also have investigation that has been going on right from last night. The DCIO and the other law enforcement agencies wamekuwa katika shule to investigate the matter, and the process is still going on. The investigations are still going on, and we are going to get a final report concerning this matter in due course.